How to generate an A-trace product label. Select the product label option. Select product type. Press Choose Product button. Press Process top row code. Type the product amount value. Press Start Product Label button. Top level product code shown. Scan code with countermark phone app. Product packing list will open. Top level product code shown. Selected process code indicated. Splitting allocated process. Press Split Last Item button. Type in or use scales for new amount value. Press Split button. New value shown. Adding stores items to product packing list. Scan stores item code with countermark phone app. New entry added to product packing list. Press Split Last Item button. Type in or use scales to allocate new amount value. Press Split button. New value shown. Closing a product packing list. Press Close List button. Print preview appears. Adjust print quantity value. Press Print Labels button. Hard copies of product label printed.